Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add details to your space, thereby making the section visible to the public. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and after that click on the Add Details button in the right side of the screen. After that you will be able to find this blank white box to which you can type in the details. You can add bullet points by tapping on this AA icon at the top, click on bullet points and then you can type in the details. And if you are done, click on the update button and then it will be added to your space. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.